Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Edo Bag Maker Alice K channel. You are welcome. If this is your first time, welcome. So this is the bag that we are going to be making today. This is the backpack. We are going to be making this stylish backpack today. It's unisex. So if this is something that you like to watch, please stay tuned and watch to the end. You are welcome to my channel. My name is Elijah Alice. I'm a bag maker based in Edo State. So if this is your first time of coming or seeing my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and please like this video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I'm so grateful. God bless you. Please like this video. Before we continue, make sure you like this video and please share this video too. So if you have subscribed, like. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe and like the video. So this is the beautiful backpack that we are going to be making today. So now let's start with the material. So the main body, this is the front. This is the front. The main body is 17.5 by 13 inches. So I'm using inches. 17.5 by 13 inches. We need two pieces. This is the front piece. So this is the front piece. So we need two of it. You are going to cut the front and the back, and also we need our two lining. So this is the front and this is the back. This black one is the back. I've already shaped it. I just shape it with 3 by 3, and we also need two lining. Yes, for the front and for the back. So the next thing is the gusset. The bottom gusset is 32 by 5. Then the next thing is the zip gusset is 37 by 27, by 5.5, while the other one is 32 by 6. So we need the two lug handle. The belt, the handle, the back handle is belt is 40 inches. We need the short handle is 7 inches long. You can go through the measurement by yourself. Then we need the zip head, 3 pieces. We need 3 zip head. This is size 6 zip head. You can use any size. Then this is the handle holder. It's 5 by 5, 5.5 inches long. So I just divided it into 2. Can you see it? I cut 5 by 5 and I divided it into 2. So we need our plastic adjust. We need 4 of it. We need 4, 2 for one handle, 2 for the other handle. We need our zip cloth, is size 6. Then we need our cord. This is cord. Please watch to the end to see the way I will fix all this thing. Then we need our 1 inches bias. You can use anything as bias. We use to pipe the inside. Then our top handle is 8 inches long. So now let's start sewing. If this is what you are interested in, please stay tuned. Like this video so that YouTube can push it to so many people. In this way you are supporting me. That is how you will support me to grow. So now it is time to sew. So what I did was that I divided the front piece. I came down by 9 inches and I divided it into 2. So if you check the back very well, it has a front pocket. So you just divide it, the 17.5 by 13 inches. So I divided it and I placed my zip there. That is what I'm doing now. So I will put my zip there and I will sew straight. Just sew the zip. As you divide it, place the zip on it and then you sew it down. So that is what I'm doing. So thank you for stopping by. Please, I want you to like this video. Make sure you like this video. Don't give me a thumbs up. In that way you are supporting my small channel to grow. Please make sure you like it. Drop a comment. If you have your question, drop a comment. So after I fix the zip, I pre-stitch it. Then the other side, I added it and I also stitch it down, straight stitching. So then after stitching it, the next thing to do is also to pre-stitch the other side. Can you see it? You bring it down and then you pre-stitch it. So it's not difficult. If you don't understand any part, please drop your question in the comment section. And please, if you don't have question, just drop a nice comment in the comment section, please. We really appreciate it. Drop a nice comment. Sorry for some time I have not posted. I have not been strong. I have not been feeling fine, but I'm better now. So after fixing the zip, the next thing to do is to use the back to shape the front. We have already shaped the back. Remember, I shaped the back with 3 by 3 inches from the upside. Then the side downside, I use one by one to shape it. So now what I will do now is that I'm using the back to shape the front. So the back, I shape it, I measure 3 inches in, 3 inches down, and I shape it. You can just give it any shape you like. There's no rule to how you shape, just shape it the way you like. So after shaping the back, so I'm now using the back to shape the front. Can you see it? So that way, that is how we shape it. Can you see? So that is how I shape it. So the both of them now, they are not the same. So after shaping it, the next thing to do, what I'm doing now is that I'm sewing the short top handle by the back. So that 8 inches piece, we just sew it together, then we'll press stitch it down, and then we use it as a back handle. Then the handle holder too, the one that is 5 by 5 inches that I divided into 2, so I will sew it down. So that is what I will be using as my handle holder. Can you see it? Yes, that's what I'm sewing. I'm just stitching one side down. Then after stitching it down, I will now put my 7 inches belt into my adjust. Can you see the way I'm doing it? I'll put it in, then I will stitch it down. I'll stitch it down. All this I'm doing is to make the handle to be strong. Is to make it to be strong. I decided not to do. I decided to put the belt direct, but I put it inside handle holder to make the belt to be, the handle to be strong. Since it's a big bag, it's guy's bag, it's actually unisex, anybody can use it. So I do the same thing to the second side. So can you see it now? I'm done with it. Can you see it? So I'm done fixing the two handle holder. It's called handle, I call it handle holder, but I don't know what you call it, anything you want to call it, but it's handle holder. So after then, the next thing to do is to fix it at the back side. Can you see what I'm doing now? I'm fixing it. Please like this video. If you have not yet liked this video, please like this video, please. So for me to fix it, I'll measure 2 inches. 2 inches from the downside. Measure 2 inches. Yes, is that 2 inches I'm going to be fixing the handle. It's from the bottom side, from the down, not the up. Yes, I'm working on the back piece now. So if you have worked to this extent, you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. I'm so grateful. Please watch to the end. Watch to the end and like our channel. Support our channel. It means a lot to us by liking it. Share our videos, but please don't monetize our videos. The second side, I will do the same thing. I measure 2 inches, then I'll place the handle and sew. So that is what I'm doing right now. Can you see it? So it's not difficult. Drop nice comment. If you don't have any question, just go to the comment section and drop a nice comment. Even if it's well done, you are doing well, thank you for sharing, anything, just drop a nice comment so that YouTube can push this video. So now I'm fixing the handle. So I'll just put that belt to cover the handle, the top belt. I'm working on the back side. I'm still working on the back side. So I'll just stitch the belt there. Then put the handle inside and stitch it down. I just want to use this as a cover to cover the rough side of the handle. Can you see? So I'll put it like that. Put it like that. Then I'll stitch it down. So can you see the way I'm stitching it? I'll stitch it down. Then I'll also put the other one. I'll put it inside. That is 8 inches. So I'm done. Look at the 8 inches by 3 inches. That is it. So I just need to put a small handle there. So just put it there like that. So we are done with the back. Just that we'll now use adjuster to connect it. We'll connect it later when we are done sewing the back. So that is it for the back. So now we have come to the zip, the gusset, the zipper gusset. So what I'm doing, I'm fixing the lining and the zipper gusset, the zip at the same time on the zipper gusset. So you stitch it down the way you see me stitch it down. Then you press stitch it. Make sure you press stitch. It will make the work, and make sure your press stitch is straight and neat. So now I'm done press stitching it. I'm done sewing. I'm still press stitching. So after I fix the zip straight, then with the lining I press stitch it. And when you are done press stitching it, the next thing to do is to fix your zip head. Fix one from this side. I'm using 2 here. I will use one for the front pocket. I will use two on the gusset. So I'll put it, I'll fix it just to put it from that side and this end. Yes, I'm done fixing it. Can you see how beautiful it is? So the next thing to do is to now fix the gusset, the bottom gusset, the one that I have to pass through the bottom and the both side. So now I will join it. This one is 6 inches wide by 32 inches. While the zipper gusset is 27 inches by 5.5. So that is it. Can you see the way I'm joining them? I'll stitch it like that. I'll put the lining first. Then I'll put my zipper. Then I will not put my zipper gusset. I will not put the back. Can you see what I'm doing? Yes. So I will stitch it like that. I'll stitch it straight. You give it a straight stitch. Make sure that your allowance is equal on both sides. Can you see? So after then, look at it. I've turned it. So I just want the inside to be very neat. That's why I did it that way. I don't want the stitches to show on the inside. That's why I stitch it that way. So if you don't understand, you can replay this video and you can drop your questions. I'm ready to answer your questions. Please drop nice comment. And the next thing to do is to now fix our cord. You know that we have cord. Fix our lining and our cord on the front piece. Yes, the front piece, we have also fixed our zipper head on it. So now it is time to fix our cord. So you take it, see the way I'm showing you. That is the side that is facing up. There's a way to fix cord. If you look at it very well, there's a way I did it. So make sure that you do it that way. Make sure that the deeper side of the cord is facing you. So can you see the way I'm doing it? I'm doing it. I want us to, if you don't know how to fix cord, please watch it very well. Watch this video very well. It's easy. It's not difficult to fix. So when you start fixing, you don't start sewing from beginning. I left the other side so that I can hide the rough edge when I'm done. So you start sewing it that way. See the way I'm sewing it. You keep arranging it and you keep sewing. I'm sewing it on top of the lining to form the front pocket. You know that we'll cut the front and put a zipper. So now putting this lining will help us to form the front pocket. Can you see it? So you sew it around like this. You sew it around like this. Can you see the way I'm sewing it? Yes. Yes, that is what I'm doing. I'll sew it like this until I get to where I started from. It's not difficult to make sew cord. If you're having problem fixing cord, you can drop it. You can drop your complaint in the comment section. I will answer it. It's not difficult. So you cut a small piece of the leather and use it to cover where you started from, so that the rough edge will not be seen. So if you want me to make a video, separate video on how to fix cord, please drop it in the comment section. So please like this video. Have you liked this video? If you have not yet liked, please like, and please subscribe. Please subscribe. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Please like the video. Click the like button so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Thank you for watching. So now the next thing to do now is to now notch the center of the zipper gusset. We'll bring it together and notch the center of it. Bring it together equally, get the center, then we'll notch it. Then it is time for us to now fix it on the front. Make sure you always start with the front. So I always start with it. You can start with any side, but I prefer always starting with the front. So you see that notch there. You will start sewing it from that notch to notch. Then you will sew it round. You will sew it round, and after sewing, you will now join it to the other side. Thanks for watching. God bless you for always stopping by. To my returning subscriber, I'm so grateful. Please, have you subscribed? Please subscribe and like our video. So now I'm still working on it. I'm still sewing it. Can you see? You just sew it that way. After sewing it right, you join it. I've joined it on both sides. It's not difficult. The same way you join the other side, you join this side like that, and then bring the joining together and notch the center. Bring your joining together and notch the center. Then trace it from the up again. You hold it and trace it down and notch the downside, so that it can match, so that your bag will not be bending. Can you see it? So I've notched it. Now it is time to fix it. Then I'll bring the back. I will now place it. Can you see the way I'm placing the back piece? After I've also put cord, I've also fixed cord on the back piece. So now I will now bring it. I will make it center to center. Can you see that notch? It's center to center. I pray you see that notch. Yes, you start sewing it. You sew it round. Make sure that when you are sewing, if you sew it well, the up notch and the down notch will just match together. But if you do not sew it well, they will not match together. So you keep sewing the same way you sew the first one. You keep sewing the second one. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I'm sewing it round. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have you subscribed? If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Support my YouTube channel. You are going to you can be seeing more. If you subscribe, you'll be seeing more of these free videos. Anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to get notified, and you will get more free videos on my channel. And if you have any question, you can actually chat me up. I'm ready to answer any of your question. Yes, this is my WhatsApp number. Yeah, if you have any question, just WhatsApp me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number: 090 35 42 1871. 090 35 42 1871. That is my WhatsApp number. So chat me up on WhatsApp. If you have any, we also make these bags in box. If you want to make plenty, like want to make for a school, you can contact us. We'll make for you. We're based in Edo State. We are legit. We are real. We'll make for you. Any number, any quantity you need, we will make for you. And so we are done with it. Can you see it? We have sew it round. We have fixed the front and the back, and this is it. So the last thing for us to do, the next thing to do, is to now use our bias. That 1-inch bias, we will now use it to tape it, which I will do off camera. You can decide not to do it. You can decide not to tape it. You can decide to leave it like that. It's still okay. But I used to tape to give it a neat finish. So the way I sew it, that is how I'm going to tape it. So now we are done with it. Can you see it? This is the look of our bag. Can you see it? This bag is very, very beautiful. Oh, the camera is not doing justice to it. Very beautiful bag. It's unisex bag, both for male and female. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Thank you very much. To all my returning subscribers, I love you so much. I pray that God will bless you. Thank you.